We opened in 2005 thanks to the encouragement of the intensive care staff here at the hospital, who saw families that were local to our community as well as out of town of children who were most critical not leaving bedside for the first few days because they didn't want to miss the doctors, they didn't know what the stability of their children was, so they just weren't comfortable leaving. So building a facility right here at the Children's Hospital became increasingly important so that those families during those most critical times can stay close by their child's bedside but still be able to come upstairs, grab something to eat, have a shower, and just sort of take a break. Even if it's a couple of hours or half an hour just to grab a shower and a cup of coffee, that time away from bedside just helps them to sort of clear their head and rejuvenate, to go back downstairs to face whatever decisions and time needs to be spent with their child. Ronald McDonald houses make sure that the environment is clean and safe when the family comes, so our volunteers really help take care of that, making sure that the linens are washed and ready on the beds for families when they just need to come up and get rest. So there is food here available for families. There's certainly laundry facilities. All of our 7 bedrooms have a private shower so that families can get cleaned up. It's relatively quiet and calm in the house, so if they need to rest during the day because they're shifting, they can always sleep whenever needed. But there is a common area so that they can gather with other families, play cards, watch TV, and unwind before trying to go to bed.
The support that's there is closeness. It's a listening ear. It's that moment that a family member, a mom, a dad, a grandparent, just maybe wants to be able to sit in a quiet space by themselves. A lot of times what happens is families help each other. So a family that's going through a hard time understands what their neighbor might be going through. And it's incredible the relationships that get built. House Within the Hospital has a great program, which is a coffee cart program, all run by volunteers, and is available. It's made available Monday through Friday, every day from 10:30 to 11:30. And that is, volunteers will come and bring coffee, tea, hot cocoa, snacks, a little coffee cake or bagels, cookies, and all of this primarily is donated, which is, you know, another wonderful thing in and of itself. For families who, in a very unplanned way, get that call that their child has been injured or their child is ill and they need help, to know that we have in our community right here in Rochester, New York, one of the best children's hospitals around, and the opportunity for stability and a home away from home, which Ronald McDonald House provides. Those two together, you've got the highest level of medical care that someone could need, and you've got the highest level of support in providing home. Those two are a great win. They make a great win.